I have here malunggay. We're going to prepare cucumber, no, not cucumber. So we're going to prepare a patola, a fish with patola, malunggay, and saluyot. So we're going to prepare a soup. Prepare tayo ng mabutan talisaya. Then we're going to add a fried fish to make it more tasty. Yes. Now we're going to prepare the saluyot. I have here a saluyot. I'm done with the moringa, malunggay, and saluyot. The last time I remember I ate this saluyot was when I was in elementary days. My father always prepare a saluyot for us because we have a lot of saluyot in our backyard back then. But during elementary days na to, during high school days, wala na po yung saluyot. And eventually, I moved to city to study for my college. So, and yeah, now I am so very much happy to see a saluyot there in the market. So I bought it without any ado. And now we are done with our saluyot. Yeah, this is saluyot, guys. Don't you know that this is good in it has lots of vitamin C, and it has lots of protein, and it can help us regulate our blood sugar. So, mani kaon gid saluyot, guys, and also malunggay. And I have here also a patola. Sikwa. Sikwa. Sikwa? Tawag sa Tagalog, sikwa. I bought this at the market for 20 pesos only. 1/4. And it's well prepared na. Wash na lang and ready to cook. Patola or sikwa if I didn't get it wrong. May kubo review ta. Then we're going to add fish and some onions para sa atong tuon na gulay. So, ang gagawin natin, we're going to gisa sa ating gulay.